Hello Photoshop lovers, welcome to a new tutorial with PSD Box. I'm Andrei, and in this video I want to show you something really easy. I want to show you how to integrate this man onto this background and create a realistic photo like you see here. I'm going to put it on the screen so you can see it. It's not really an advanced tutorial, and while I prepare something a little more advanced, I want to give you this sort of exercise, if you want to call it that way, and I want to show you how to get this guy here and put it on this background and blend him with the background in a realistic way. We're going to work with shadows, we're going to work with layer masks, not really difficult layer masks, just something really easy. And I'm going to show you how to get the tones that you see on the background. So first we're going to add the man over there and then create the tone, and then with some adjustments we're going to create the final image that you see here. I just used 3 stock images: this man, the background, and the crow that you see there standing on that sort of cross that you see there on the background. And that's pretty much it. It's just a simple exercise showing you how to blend images together. This works really well if you want to make photos, like for example, or a poster for a music band, or I don't know, celebrity or whatever you want to do it for, or your friend. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to preserve the original shadows of this and how to match the tones and the lighting. It's important to get images that match together. So for example, if you want to take an image of a band and then you have the background, maybe because you couldn't make the photo shoot on location, and for this particular tutorial I just searched for images that could fit together in terms of lighting and also in terms of the angle. You can see I think this was shot with wide angles, and I tried to match that so that the image looks natural. So in your case, if you're doing the same thing with a client or something like that, you have to match that before you go back in Photoshop and work on the image, because if you have really different lighting or really different angles or lenses, the images will not match, even though you make a great job on matching the tones and the contrast and everything, which we're going to see on this tutorial. If the lighting doesn't match, or the angle of how you shot the photographs, it's gonna look weird. So that's your job. So what I'm going to show in this tutorial is how to match the tones and get this to look more natural and more realistic. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's get started.